Mr. President, Dalit women constitute around 80 million, i.e. 8% of the total Indian population. They face humiliation, stigmatization, and exclusion even today in urban and rural India. Human rights of Dalit women are violated on a daily basis. Dalit women are forced into prostitution and are sexually and economically oppressed through religious and cultural sanctity known as Devdasi system. I quote the indications of the International Trade Union Confederation noted by Committee of Experts on the application of conventions and recommendations of Forced Labor Convention in 2009. The Devdasi system constitutes forced labor within the meaning of the convention, since girls are dedicated as Devdasi without their consent and are subsequently compelled to provide sexual services to the community under duress. Research has also revealed that the practice is increasingly linked to the problem of trafficking in girls for commercial sexual exploitation. Devdasi ceremonies and rituals have been legally banned, and practice was formally prohibited after independence, and the states of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh enacted Devdasi Prohibition of Dedication Acts during the 1980s. Existing legislation provides for fines and terms of imprisonment for those responsible for dedications, but no penalties are prescribed for those who sexually exploit the Devdasi. The Devdasi system and its regional variations continue to flourish and have not been abandoned despite constitutional provisions and legislation prohibiting the practice. Therefore, our organization urges the Government of India, the Human Rights Council, and related mandate holders to take stronger measures to abolish the Devdasi system, including measures to vigorously enforce prohibitions and penalties under anti-dedication acts, to enforce anti-trafficking laws against those who target children from communities that are traditionally tied to the Devdasi system, and to focus law enforcement efforts on the link between the Devdasi system and the practice of trafficking in girls for commercial sexual exploitation. I thank you.